Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Little Green Ones, How to Do It. What we've got here today is a little plastic welding. It's a little tip trick that I picked up long ago. I would say about 3 weeks ago. What we've got here is my favorite container of cheese balls, and it is plagued by a crack in the lid, which is not good for cheese balls if you have not known. And what we're going to do is we're going to fix this crack, as you can see, by using plastic welding. To do plastic welding, what you're going to need is some sort of hot device. This here is a soldering / wood burning tool. It's electric, it's plugged up, it's hot, it's ready to go. And you're also going to need a little bit of a knife. All you've got to do is get yourself a bit of donor plastic. The original plastic is good. Just cut off some nice slivers. That's a little better. Now then, we're going to do this on the bottom, so we won't be able to see it afterwards. I'm going to come in, zoom in a good bit here. Alright. Basically, it's just like real welding. And what you want to do is take your hot device and just kind of start melting along. Something like that. You want to take your donor plastic and place it in there. Melt it into everything else. Make kind of a circle. And the donor plastic is really for when you have a big hole, such as what I have here now. Just take your donor plastic and melt it off there. Mix it in there real well. It's all about being slow with it, letting the plastic melt, letting it cool down again. Usually on most cracks you can just kind of run along it, kind of like that. And it should mend back together. So for a really quick fix, just run it along it like that. And so continue on, get your plastic together, spot weld it a few places if you want to. Like that. Now that we have it together, we've got kind of a ridge all down the plastic. It's thin. We want to thicken it up a little bit and make it stronger. Take your donor plastic and melt it in there. Kind of cut off a bit. Cut it off, melt it into it. Now you're just kind of smoothing it out. Like that. as we have it now, YouTube, I've finished welding. The lid is now complete, and my balls shall be forever sealed and protected. Such as that. Perfect. So I implore you, YouTube, look about yourself. What things are made out of plastic, what things are broken that are plastic. I shall show you here in my room plastic things I've got. We've got a plastic guitar case. We've got a plastic container. Plastic, all of which that can be fixed. There's nothing that is impossible. I implore you to try it yourself. Get yourself a heating device such as this and give it a try. If you've made it this far, I thank you for watching. I implore you to check out my other videos and such as that. And have a good day, as usual. Goodbye, YouTube.